What is up, guys? Welcome to the next DIY lawn channel. I'm Lazy Lawns. There should be a link for my channel in the description below, so don't worry about it. Check it out if you want. But what I'm doing today is I'm going to do the fabled legendary double dark combining MicroGreene and GreeNe EfFect. Here's a little bit of info about these products. Here you go. Now, MicroGreene we have discussed before, at least on my channel. So what MicroGreene is basically going to be is a blast of micronutrients, including stuff like iron, soluble potash, which is not a micro, that's a macro, but hopefully you get what I'm saying here. This also has humic acid and sea kelp. So it basically got a little bit of a, not only is it a micronutrient booster, as well as an iron application, but it also has basically a mini RGS built into it. Next up is GreeNe EfFect. So notice how the FE in EfFect is highlighted. That's because this is your hardcore iron from N-Ext. So notice how it has 6% iron, 7% nitrogen, urea, which means it's going to be quickly absorbed, and then 3% combined sulfur. And notice that it says that that 3.5% urea and nitrogen stabilized with something. This also contains 10% citric acid. This is another product you need to shake well before using, but this mixes much better with other things. So when you apply both of these things, I'm going to say at the same time, but I don't mean in the same hose end. Notice I have two. This one's broken, and I was going to do like a dramatic toss of it for the video, but no, it just doesn't seem appropriate. Anyway, so I'm going to apply these one after another. You want to make sure that you're not putting down too much of either one of these. This especially, because obviously this has nitrogen in it, you can get burned. This also has, like I said, that 6% iron. When combined together in excessive rates, not only are you seeing diminishing returns from things like the micronutrients and the humic acid and the sea kelp, stuff like that, but you are also throwing yourself into, you could see some blackening, which I know some people are going to say, oh, that sounds great, black lawn. But no, actually black, not dark, because you don't want to put down too much iron in your grass. So the rates I'm applying these at, and I know the double dark method calls for 6 ounces per 1,000 of MicroGreene and 9 ounces per 1,000 of GreeNe EfFect. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is 6 ounces of both, over 4,000 square feet. Now, my normal schedule already calls for MicroGreene every 4 weeks, and this actually happens to be week number 4, so I need to be applying this anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and get to spraying. It's kind of gloomy, but I'll still record it. So here we go. Check it out. notice I still have about 8 ounces left in here, which is perfect because I always fill it up to the top, 32 ounces. Even if, in this case, I'm only spraying 40,000 square feet, so I only needed to get 24 ounces out. I always fill it up anyway because the straw doesn't always sit at the bottom. Sometimes it curls up, sometimes it just goes wherever it wants. So if you kind of always have product in there, it makes things a lot easier. Anyway, that was the MicroGreene. Now time for the GreeNe EfFect. So here is the before. And if you really want to see the after, you need to check out my channel, Lazy Lawns, on YouTube and on Instagram. I will have a follow-up video to see the results of this. So if you liked this video, make sure you like this video. If you loved this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you watching. There will be links in the description for more information on where to find these products, how to use these products, where to buy these products. Yeah, that's it. MicroGreene EfFect, double dark. Let's see how it goes. Thanks for watching.